Hey guys, I posted this video a little further than I should have posted, but I am a little late because, you know, I wasn't feeling too well on the weekend. So here I am with the chopped cheese video, and I hope you guys enjoy. This time it wasn't me cooking, it was my friend once again, and yes, the same one that made the hot dogs. So yeah, we'll also be doing a comparison with a nearby deli. Your first step is to slice your tomato into as many slices as possible. Next, you want to dice a whole onion or two small onions, and you want to get them about as small as what is shown right now. Also, if you want, you can also add in the garlic and do the same thing you did with the onion. This one's just for more flavor though. To toast your buns, add a dab of butter to a pan on high heat. For flavoring, add a drizzle of olive oil. This is also going to help to turn the butter into a liquid. Once the butter is melted, apply your buns and wait until they're toasted. Flip every once in a while to check if it's toasted or not. A well-toasted bun should look like this with a brown crisp. Then settle it aside. Here to ASMR. Add your diced onions and garlic to your ground beef. For seasoning, you want to start with some pepper, a small amount of dill, a generous amount of paprika, a light drizzle of salt, and with clean hands, mix the ground beef with the seasonings. Now, take off a piece of lettuce and start cutting it into thin strips. Take a big chunk of the ground beef and roll it into a ball. Add more meat and continue forming it. On high heat, put the ball in the pan and squish it down with a spatula so that it's easier to chop up. Next, using a chopping material or probably your spatula, chop it into very small pieces or until it looks like this. Once it's fully done cooking, push them to the side and add 3 slices of cheese on top. Cover with a pan to make sure the cheese melts. To assemble, first you want to take your toasted buns and add your desired sauce on the bottom. Next, evenly distribute and add 3 slices of tomatoes or more, and also add in your lettuce. Observe how well the cheese is melted. Anyways, add all your ground beef to the top and then close it out with the top bun. Okay, so I got my chopped cheese here. Ooh, it's kind of messy. So I think my friend made a pretty good chopped cheese, you know. So, okay, that's actually really good. The beef is perfect. Seasoned absolutely perfect. The mayo tastes great. The tomato just makes it better. And the cheese is just nice. It's a nice addition. So yeah, I'd rate this one probably a 9.5 out of 10. It was pretty good. Let's rate the deli one. Can I get a chopped cheese on a gyro? Nice. Got my chopped cheese over here. Hey guys, so I just went to my local deli and I just got myself a nice chopped cheese. As you can see, it looks absolutely beautiful. Definitely looks less messier than the one I made with my friend. So far, design definitely wins. Anyways, now that I've got everything, I'm gonna take a bite. It also has more ingredients, I think, because there's more sauce. Has a sweet flavor and a juicy taste from the beef right here. For me, it's a perfect 9.6. We rated the homemade one 9.5. So yeah, we did pretty close to the deli. I'll tell you, we did pretty good, but you know, you're probably winning because they have more experience. Anyways, guys, for the next video, I'm gonna be making something a little special. I have way too many Oreos in my house, so yeah. See you guys later.